I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
Here we have an unbelievably rare 1990 Volvo 240 GLT, 2.3 manual with black leather interior. It's in fabulous condition throughout. It's a 32-year-old car. It's got the familiar GLT alloys with recent Avon tyres fitted. Headlamp wash white. Looking into the interior, she's a 5-seater model. She's got this fabulous buttoned black leather. Very durable, being a Volvo. It's unworn. And the back also. She's 5-speed manual. It's got heated seats in the front, electric mirrors, lovely velour door cards, 4 electric windows, comes with both keys, 108,000 miles with full history. And again, another look at the beautiful door card. Headlining is really good. Very clean load bay. The jack is here and the spare wheels over to the left. Engine bay also is really clean. We've just changed the timing belt. Full service history with this car, and it shows in the fabulous condition here. Really nice car. We've just obtained a new NCT till January 2024.
Let's go for a little spin. Starts first time on the key. 5-speed manual. Slick gearbox. Clutch feels fine. Everything's working, from the heated seats, all the electrics. Parts availability is very good for these cars. I've gone to great lengths to get everything as perfect as we can. Lovely smooth engine. These really are a fabulous car. A lot of people are surprised how quick these cars are for a 32-year-old car. I really like them.
Price is €13,950. Car qualifies for the classic insurance of around €256 road tax. Check out my 5-star rating on TRUSTPILOT. We deliver free of charge nationwide.